Failing electronics due to overheating, debris, and moisture can lead to slowing business operations or costly repairs. EXAIR's cabinet cooler systems help prevent failures in the first place. Unlike fans or refrigerant air conditioners, cabinet coolers utilize vortex tubes to produce cold air with no moving parts for added reliability. EXAIR cabinet coolers come in a variety of models, including NEMA 12, NEMA 4, and NEMA 4X, hazardous location, and ATEX. Each model is engineered with the needs of a variety of industries and environments in mind, including oil and gas, manufacturing and CNC, food and pharmaceutical, and many more. EXAIR's cabinet coolers can be installed in minutes and are a low-cost option to protect sensitive electronics. Use EXAIR's cabinet cooler calculator to find the best model for your business. Learn more at EXAIR.com.